Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the Anycubic KOBRA 4 combo. And in front of it are what's known as HueForge prints. The problem with HueForge prints is once you make one, you can't stop. You just want to keep making more. Those prints were made on an $800 enclosed combo printer. But what if I could make it on a $300 combo printer? That would mean pretty much anybody could make HueForge prints, like this one. This was printed on an $800 enclosed combo printer. I'm going to throw it at the KOBRA 4 combo and see how it does. I am slicing with Anycubic slicer next, and I've got the Ace 2 Pro loaded with black, gray, white, and purple. Here I am in Anycubic slicer next. I've got black, gray, white, and purple. This is my preview. I'm printing at 0.12 layer height, and off it goes. I will turn on all calibrations and send it away. As you can hear, the Ace 2 Pro is currently drying, and it will continue drying while printing. Not too shabby for a budget entry-level printer. Let's see how it does. This is the poop from that print. This is my $800 machine. And this is my $300 KOBRA 4 combo. It came absolutely fantastic. Now, I'm not mocking my more expensive machine. I absolutely love it. But I'm saying you can do amazing things with a current generation budget entry-level printer, and it's a beautiful thing. I'm Mr. Greg. This is the KOBRA 4. This is a HueForge, and you're on 3D Rundown.